Hello, my name's Chris. I'm a ranger with the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. Come down to Scrinkle today, and the cliffs are really starting to get busy with seabirds. We've got quite a few fulmars starting to establish nests now. They'll be laying their eggs in a month's time, but at the minute they have to defend their territories. They have to defend their small edges against other birds coming in and trying to steal them. So you can see here we've got a couple that are clearly enjoying each other's company. They're preening each other and chattering away, but the minute another bird comes along, that bird is quickly shooed away. Another way birds will kind of establish their territories is by doing a very regular flight pattern. So you'll see birds doing big circles in big bays, and they quite often do the same flight pattern time after time. So if you see birds repetitively flying past a cliff, they'll be showing off to their partner and also saying to other birds that this is their patch on the cliff. So have a look out for fulmars if you're on the coast path.